depending on the age of the kid, if they can crawl, if they can walk, or how high they can reach on the counter, they can actually get to a lot more than you think. So things that are common childhood poisons that are kept in your house, these include any pesticides, cosmetics, prescriptions, or even non-prescriptions or over-the-counter medications, any cleaners like Lysol or anything like that, outdoor plants, or even fertilizers, batteries. So kids can ingest these button batteries or any other kind of batteries, and they can be very toxic to little kids. Another common toxin that people don't think about is lead. So lead was actually used to build homes and the pipes and everything before 1968, and then it was used in paint before 1978. And so there is a way for pediatricians to test this in their office. Another common toxin that you might not really think about is carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide is like an odorless, tasteless gas. So it can be great to have a carbon monoxide detector in your house that will go off if it feels like any carbon monoxide is rising. Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning can be things like headache or vomiting or chest pain. They're really very non-specific. So if you're concerned about this, talk to your provider. So how do you know if your kid might have ingested something they shouldn't have? Well, one is obviously catching them red-handed. Your child might not have symptoms right away following this, so it's really important to observe closely. Any like redness or irritation around their mouth, any burns visibly that you can see, any vomiting or difficulty breathing might indicate that they've ingested something that's damaging their esophagus or their trachea. For little kids, it's really important to have child safety locks. So making sure all our cabinets have them. And the best thing that you could do is really to keep them out of reach. If you're ever worried that your child has ingested any of these things, the first thing to do, obviously stabilize your child, but the second thing is to call poison control. So this number is 1-800-222-1222. Memorize it and save it on your phone.